and often out of sight.
A flood of mud in California. A torrent of water, ooze and silt sweeps down from the mountains where cloudbursts have broken dams and dikes. Near Los Angeles, motor cars are engulfed in the squudgy bog. And houses are wrecked. Last New Year, a flood took many lives in this very spot. At Long Beach, with its forest of oil derricks, there's more water than mud, the slush and gravel having been left behind by the racing flood.
The gathering of the turkey clans at Seattle tell their own rather sad